The flood situation in Assam remains grim, even though the waters have started receding in many parts of the state. The Kaziranga National Park is experiencing the worst ever deluge, with 159 wild animals, including 9 rhinos, having died due to drowning and during treatment. So far, 133 animals have been rescued and 111 animals were released after treatment. At present, 2,580 villages are under the water and 39,000 hectares of crop area have been damaged across Assam. A report by the Assam State Disaster Management Authority said that 5 more people have lost their lives. The death toll from this year's floods, landslides, storms and lightning have now mounted to 100.